let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP JPY. So first thing, make sure you click on the subscribe button. To those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you like and share, make your comments, follow the Telegram. Also guys, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube membership program that is currently ongoing. Once you check the channel, you will see the button to subscribe at the top of the channel, so you can subscribe so that you will be able to go live with us, you will be able to go trade live with us and get one or two updates with us. Now let's take a look at what markets we're doing right here. Now let's take a look at what market is actually going to be doing for us on our GBPJPY. Let's start with the trend right here, guys. Let's start with our overall. JPY is in an uptrend move. We are very much in an uptrend move. You can see that market is very much bullish, right? Market was able to rally up to come to give us that high, right? Then it did pull back to give us an higher low. Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high, right? Then it pulled back again to form an higher low. Market then did push up again to form a new higher high that took out this previous high, right? It gave us a new higher high that took out this previous high, right? Now here comes the pullback, which is an higher low, right here. So this is the pullback, which is an higher low, right? Now that with this higher low, guess what market is doing right here? Market is now pushing up, so we should expect that push up to continue, right? So it is able to take out this high right here, thereby giving us a new higher high. So we should expect market to continue that bullish move. See, it is able to take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing on your GBPJPY, you would want to be going in for the buy. A bullish move is what you should be expecting. This is your first high and this is your pullback. This is also your high again. Here comes the pullback phase right here. Now, market was able to push up again to form a new high. So we should expect a pullback to play out before markets eventually push up again to form a new high. So guys, a bullish move right here is what you should be expecting on our GBPJPY. So be anticipating for that movement to the upside. Now, this is what market is. The market has already given us the high. Have it in mind that this high have already been made. So what you should be expecting right now is your pullback, which market is currently doing. So expect that pullback to at least come to tap the 10-period simple moving average. Then that should now serve as a confluence for market to push up to form a new high, thereby form a new high. So above all, more movement to the upside. More update on this will be covered in the YouTube membership program. So click on the subscribe button in order for you to miss out on the updates.